Hi everyone, my name is Ali Raza. I'm the founder and CEO of Max Dental Marketing. Today we are going to be touching upon a topic that will help any dental practice increase the ROAS, return on ad spend, on whichever campaign they're running for their season, be it the Christmas season, be it the regular summer season, or be it any season. If you apply these 5 tactics that I'm going to share with you, 5 strategies that I'm going to share with you, you will start to see an increase in the amount of ROAS for any given marketing campaign. These strategies that I'm sharing with you, they are not platform specific. They're even applicable on offline marketing channels. If you're using billboard advertising, if you're doing some kind of postal made advertising, these strategies will be applicable there as well. Strategy number 1, know your audience. Before I dive into this, I'll make just one statement. If you are talking to everyone, you are talking to no one. Whenever you are creating a marketing campaign, you should have a clear idea in your mind who is your audience that you're making these ads for. For example, if you are making an ad or a marketing campaign for kids with dental care needs belonging to average income families, your ad is going to be really different than an ad that you will create for moms or single moms in their 40s who are really busy and looking for dental care without insurance. These two ads, these two personas are very different. You want to create a different ad, different messaging for the first persona that I just shared. So let's go back to our example. Kids, moms looking to get their kids treated for dental care from average families. The ad will probably feature kids. It'll probably feature some kind of homes, some kind of backgrounds, which belong more to the average families. Every single element in that ad copy will have something that will resonate with that persona. You cannot have one message that fits for all. So one size fits all? No, that does not work for marketing. You want to make sure every single persona, every single avatar has a specific ad that is just designed keeping that audience in mind. I'll just share some examples with you on the screen. Number 1, busy parents seeking affordable dental care. A totally different persona with a totally different kind of messaging, imagery, landing page. Second one, single moms looking for kids dental care. Very different set of images that you can imagine in your mind. Third, retired elders looking for root canal and dental care that they need every now and then. Absolutely different images. Can you have the same ad campaign trying to attract elders and the same ad campaign trying to attract kids? No. So this is the idea of knowing your audience. Strategy 2, make it about them. Focus on patient concerns rather than promoting your dentistry. Whenever we are drafting an email campaign or whenever we're making something, we're always trying to position our business. We're always trying to show off our business in the ad campaigns. That's not a good idea. Your hero is your patient. So in the case of dental practices, the hero of the story, the hero of our marketing campaign is the patient. It's not the doctor, it's not the dental practice, it is the patient. Whenever we are crafting an email campaign, whenever we are crafting a ad campaign, the hero of the entire campaign needs to be the patient. If the patient is the kid, we need to have the kids in place. If the patient is the elders, the elderly, they need to be in the place. If the hero of the story or the persona is the mom, we need to have moms in place. And all our messaging should be focused on our hero of the story and relieving them from pain. If you take a look at my screen, the suggested structure we propose is what our prospective or potential patient needs, how can they get it, and what will be their life after the treatment. This is a nice structure that you can follow in your ad campaigns, that you can follow in your ad messages, the ones that you're going to place on Facebook or any other ad platform. Strategy 3, using pattern interrupts. People are scrolling like crazy. People are literally scrolling all the time. You need to have an ad campaign. You need to have an ad that stops them in their tracks, that stops them when they're scrolling. And that is only possible if you can create pattern interrupts. The regular ad that any dental practice would go something like this. Hi, I am Dr. Bill. I can really provide great dental care. No. The moment somebody sees this ad, they will just skip and they will just go to the next feed or whatever they're seeing on their mobile. You want to create something that literally strikes them and stops them. I have some examples on my screen. This new candy is responsible for 47% of the cavities. Just imagine a mom or a dad with their kids in their preteens or their teens looking at this ad, and they know that their kids are into taking candies. Will they see this ad? For sure, yes. They would want to check out the ad and they will go on your landing page, click on it, and consume that information, and that'll give you the opportunity to get a patient appointment. This common healthy snack is destroying your smile. How cool is that? You can engage almost every mom, almost every dad who's using different kinds of healthy drinks, and they don't know about some negative aspects of a certain drink that is out there in the market. The third example, this everyday drink is eroding your teeth faster than you think. All these examples, these are just examples that I gave you on the screen right now. You can come up with examples using ChatGPT. You can come up with examples seeing your competitors. There are so many competitors who are running ads, who are doing a ton of creative things on social media and generating leads. Check them out. Strategy 4, ensure message consistency. We see a lot of dental practices having ads which are not consistent with their landing pages. What happens is when you run an ad and somebody sees your ad on social media, what do? They click on the ad and it goes to the landing page. For example, your ad is about root canal services for kids. If somebody clicks on that ad, it goes to a page that has got no mention of root canal or kids. That ad will not convert well. Whenever an ad campaign is created, it is redirected to the homepage of the dental clinic. That is the last thing that you want to do. Make sure that whenever you set up an ad campaign, that ad campaign should be really specific for your audience. And when it goes to a landing page, that page should be in congruence. That page should be in link and sync with the ad copy that you created. Strategy 5, the fortune is in the follow-up. Follow up with patients like texting, like phone, like emails. People are so busy that when they see your ad the first time, they are probably not going to engage with your business right away. Why? Because they are busy. They are not ready to take the decision there and then. They want to know more about the service. They want to know more about the practice. They want to know whether they're able to afford it or not. You want to show them your ad. You want to follow up with them repeatedly. You want to give them at least 5 to 7 or 8, 10 touch points before they set up an appointment with your clinic. You can use retargeting methodology that are being provided by all the platforms. So whoever is running your marketing campaigns needs to make sure that whenever somebody sees the ad of your dental practice, that ad should fire a retargeting pixel, which will then show the ads of your dental practice repeatedly to the mom or the dad or anyone who saw your dental practice's ad. Nicely follow up with the service that they want to go ahead and engage with. Try to give some kind of a value to them. If the prospective patient is a kid and their mom has approached the dental practice, it's a great idea to send something relevant to kids and root canal services, an article maybe. The 5 common drinks and the 5 common foods to avoid before getting root canal treatment. It is okay to just call the person or send a message saying, hey, I just wanted to follow up about your appointment. You want to make sure you come to the clinic. That's okay. But also trying to follow up and at the same time trying to give them some value is a great idea, because we get so many follow-up messages all the time. We're always more attracted to a follow-up message that has got some additional value regarding whatever I engaged with. That said, that's the conclusion. You need to understand your audience. You need to focus on their needs, not my clinic, not my doctor, and you need to make sure that you're consistent across your ads and your landing pages. If you want us to take a look at how your ads are doing, if you want us to take a look at how your landing pages are doing, how your ad campaigns are doing from an ROAS, return on ad spend perspective, use us for our free consultation. We'll dive deep into your ad account. We'll dive deep into every ad copy that you've created and give you 5 or 6 or 7 steps that you can take, which will be customized and tailored according to your dental practice, that you can go ahead and then implement and see the results come in.